Wondering if you can delete your transaction history on Western Union for privacy or record keeping? While you can't typically delete individual transactions from your official record, understanding your data and options is important. In this guide, I'll clarify how your Western Union transaction history is handled. It's important to understand that Western Union, as a financial service, is legally required to maintain records of all transactions for a certain period for regulatory compliance and security. Therefore, you cannot simply delete individual transactions from their system or your personal transaction history displayed online. While you cannot delete the history, you can manage your personal data and account. If you wish to close your entire Western Union account, you would need to contact their customer service directly. This would prevent future transactions from being recorded under that account. Finally, always be mindful of privacy. If you use a shared computer or device, remember to log out of your Western Union account to protect your personal transaction history from unauthorized access. And there you have it. Deleting Western Union transaction history is generally not possible. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.